Welcome to another doozy sequence. Today we're going to pull the Starseeds back out of orbit and land their ship back here on Earth, not to destroy the story, just to remind you that you're supposed to be living it. So, I'm an Andromedan. Cool, me too. I'm also Source. I'm also Calissivora. I'm also hungry and need to pay my bills. It didn't work out well for me when I tried to reject human life. How's that working out for you? Yeah, being a multidimensional being doesn't erase your local task at hand. The point was never to identify with where you came from. It was to do what you came to do right here and now. But the galactic wars of 42 million ago was, who gives a shit? They probably were lit. But unless they're helping you raise your kid, show up in your relationships, or build what you're here to build, you're escaping through a story instead of landing it in your life. So tell me, what did you do in 2007 first before you go, quote, Lemurian timelines? But the multiverse is infinite. Yeah, so what? If you can't recall a single story from another universe, what exactly are you even doing with that information? Stop using potential as a proxy for presence. Other versions of you exist, great. But this one right now is sitting in traffic, confused, inspired, flawed, and it is the only one doing anything real. If you're not acting, you're just daydreaming in costume. But I'm already the version of me I'm becoming. No, you're not. No, you're not. The version of you is sitting in dark matter, waiting for you to act like you actually want to even meet them. Future versions aren't goals. They're programs that respond to motion. Stillness doesn't birth them. Action does. But the earth is dense, it's hard, and it's heavy. Boo-hoo. Exactly. That's why you're here. This realm is meant for friction, tension, and transmutation. It's not that you're failing at life. You're just inside of the fire. Forge it. And stargazing won't save you if you are unwilling to lock the mirror first. So aliens aren't real? We're more than real, you know. But the obsession is a symptom of displacement. You're outsourcing your higher self to a species that you really don't even remember. Be honest about it. And you're doing that instead of downloading it into the human form that you have. And that is the point, to be more human than human. That is why we are even here. So the bottom line is, if you are not being the conduit, you're literally cosplaying a character with no arc. The real starseed activates when you can plant the star in the soil. Star seed. Water it with devotion. Give it to the fruit in the world around you. No action is no mission. No mission is no memory. And memory is the only thing that turns frequency into legacy. I'll see myself out.